What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time Amazon seller, hence this video, right? I have fully outsourced my eBay business. I never plan on listing on eBay again, and I'm kind of going to throw some details out there about how and why you should do the same thing, right? So, first off, if you're interested in making money selling on Amazon, even eBay, right? Because the guy I'm going to be talking about, he actually is a coach, a part of the group, and he does his own coaching calls, eBay, Amazon, whatever it may be. Join the YouTube channel, $2.99 a month. Weekly live calls, like I said, me or the guy I'm going to talk about, Johnny. And we got a private Discord that's like 24/7 kind of chat room, get all your questions answered. Over 300 paying members, so these people are at least making $3 a month or they wouldn't be able to afford the group. And we got the go-to lister listing software monthly discount, which means you basically get the group for free at the end of the day. But today, eBay no longer. My fellow, I don't even know how long it's been. We've done 150-ish podcast episodes, so well over 3 years now. Johnny B has finally, I kind of forced him. I didn't force him to do this, right? Because he's going to do whatever the hell he wants to do anyway. But I said, dude, like, why don't you do a little bit of eBay, like, consignment? And I'll be the first one to tell you, consignment is not my cup of tea. I do not have the space, wherewithal. I focus on Amazon, and Amazon is my focus. But for others like Johnny, who are great at eBay, right? We all know he's got the best damn listings out there. He knows exactly what the platform wants. He ships everything the same day. He finally jumped on board and is going to be doing consignment for everybody watching this video. So all that information is going to be in the description, in the comments. But I want to show you guys what I'm sending, right? So I'm recording this now. My stuff isn't even sent to him yet. So I'm going to do a little update of when the items actually sell. I'm going to walk through exactly how it works. So shout out to Johnny for kind of betting on himself and his capabilities as an eBay seller. Because if you look out there in the universe now, all you see, eBay sucks. eBay is this, they hate me. They don't want my family eating no food. They don't promote my stuff. Well, Johnny's got that under wraps. What kind of stuff am I sending, right? So I guess first off, how the hell does it work, right? So you're gonna email this guy. He's got all of his information. All of it will be posted down below. You can click on, but you're gonna get an email. You're gonna have the shipping address where you're sending it to. You're gonna put your information in a little envelope just so he's got your information, how you wanna be paid. This is great, right? I'm getting the biggest thing for me, right? The biggest thing. This type of garbage. It's not garbage, dude. It's antiquarian books. People love these things. I love money more than I love this. And I don't want to waste time looking this stuff up. So the way Johnny's doing is you just put this in a box and send it to him, and he'll decide whether or not it's worth it to list. I'm sold, right? I'm sold instantly. I have tried consignment with other people in the past. Did not get the results I needed to see, honestly. So I'm glad he's doing this, and I'm glad I don't have to do no research at all. This just goes in a box. I mail it to him, medium mail shipping. Boom, he can look it up. He can do all the research. It's a 50-50 split. I don't have to do nothing, right? So whatever you sell, you get 50% off. And another bonus is it sells and you get paid right away. So if you sell an item and it gets returned, he's just gonna resell it. He's not gonna try to get his money back out of you. I mean, this is like a match made in heaven for me. So this type of stuff where I have no idea if it's worth anything, it looks cool. I get this stuff in my library pickups, and I used to just get rid of it, right? But now I'm just gonna keep a pile of all the antiquarian and just throw it in a box for him. He can deal with it however he wants to see fit, which, you know, looking things up is a waste of my damn time. I just need to be scanning stuff to send to Amazon. So this type of stuff is really good, and I should probably see probably a decent increase to my bottom line. I'm gonna be doing PayPal, so he's gonna be paying me out real quick. I know he's like, the fees on PayPal. I'm like, I don't care about the fees. Just give me my money, right? So I'm excited to start selling more antiquarian books. Watch out, I'm back in the antiquarian game. Not really. I know somebody who's gonna sell it for me. I'll just take credit, right? So that stuff. The other things I'm really super excited about is signed books, right? David Crosby from Crosby, Stills and Nash. My homeboy, Mankind, like, come on. I should keep this for myself. I really wasn't a big Mankind fan. I was more like DX, Stone Cold, Hardy Boys type stuff. But I got a ton of signed books, right? Some NASCAR, some politicians, Nikki Haley, Darrell Waltrip, just random stuff signed. This has been sitting on my unit for months. I have no intentions on ever listing this. What else am I sending on? Here goes one. I'm not wasting no damn time with this, right? American Chopper DVD. He can lock this up. He can build his own bikes, whatever, as long as he pays me for it. I'm not going to be sitting here trying to figure this out. He can lot it up, pay me when it sells. Another thing, things we are gated on Amazon, right? Like, I can sell most Star Wars, but this is like the super impossible Star Wars brand to get unlocked. Brand new sealed. On Amazon, it's like 50 bucks. I comped it on eBay, it's like $40, but it's sitting here, it's making me $0. Collectible stuff that I come across every once in a while. Tekken Tag Team, like soundtrack, pretty cool. That's what the actual cover looks like. I just lost a little insert. On Amazon, really no sales history, but on eBay, we know a lot of the vintage video games. This one actually comes with the card too. Do pretty much a lot better on eBay than they do on Amazon, unless it's the newer stuff. So this will be going to him as well, along with the pretty dope Halo 2 original soundtrack, brand new sealed. I grew up on Halo 3. Halo 3 was where I was at most of my teenage years. Video games, I have no purpose. I am not buy box eligible. I found this at the thrift store. Yes, you can still find the stuff at the thrift store. He can deal with it. Oh, he don't know yet. I'm not taking this tag off. Hey, give me my 50%. Don't be holding an extra 5% because you got to remove the thrift store stickers. All right, dude? What else we got? We got more video games. Nintendo 64. I picked this up at a thrift store as well with a bunch of games. And listen, I don't know what it's worth. I know I'm going to make money, right? Like, it came with 2 controllers, right? The dope see-through controller, the green controller. We got 3 games. Pokemon Snap. Tony Hawk, another great game right there. And a little bit of 007 as well. He can lock this up and get more money than I can, right? And he's going to spend the time to do it right, pack it right, do the listing right. Basically, he can get more money if we list the same item because his listing is going to be a lot better than mine. So that's the kind of stuff I'm sending. I also got Easton Press. He told me this is like a $400 book. I don't know. You can't believe what these damn people tell you anymore on the internet. The Nag Hammadi Scriptures, Easton Press. I got this at a library. Pre-sale. By pre-sale, I mean not Friends Night. I mean Mike's Night. You all go to the Friends Preview Night. I go to Mike's Preview Night. All right, it has been officially 2 weeks since we packed and sent that stuff over to Johnny, and I am pleased to say I have sold 3 items. I don't know, like, have I sold them or has Johnny sold them, right? My eBay business is alive and well thanks to Johnny. So pop up a screenshot here. You guys, all of his information, like I said, will be down in the video description, comments below. On his eBay store, he actually has a consigned items. So you can actually go see what I sent him and what he listed and what he didn't list, right? And then you actually can filter it to sold right within the consignment area. And you will be able to see 3 items he sold for me. He sold this railway operating rules for 30 bucks. This is just junk I had sitting here, right? This stuff has been sitting around forever for me. So sold that for 30 bucks. He sold this signed Long Time Gone book, signed by David Crosby. He sold this for $100. And then the first item he sold of mine was a DVD set that Amazon didn't want me to sell, Saving Grace. He sold that for $30 as well. Once the payment clears and he gets paid by eBay, usually sometimes same day, next day, he literally PayPal'd me the money right away. I don't know. Listen, I got a whole carload full of books, and I'm going to be sending Johnny a bunch just to prove to you guys that I'm not BSing you. Not like I've ever BS'd you in the past, but I just got back from the library. This is what we're dealing with. So I will be taping up a Lowe's box, getting that ready to go. I mean, 3 items in 2 weeks. I only sent maybe 30 different items. Listen, if you don't have the time or you don't want to spend the time to kind of put the effort in, just take what you can get. If I'm just boxing it, sending it away, the shipping was about, I'm in Pennsylvania, he's in Texas. It was about, I think, $25 for the 1 box. And then the smaller box, I think, was around 12. So all in, I was in for like $39. I'm already in the profit. This is stuff that's just sitting around. It doesn't make sense for me to waste time trying to do eBay. So that's it. I got to get more stuff sent out to him so I can revitalize my eBay. I'm selling stuff on eBay like you wouldn't believe. Everybody better watch out. Like I said, I don't know if I can say I'm selling it. Maybe he's selling it. I don't know what the actual legal proper pronunciation of my eBay sales are, but I don't give a crap because the money's hitting my PayPal, right? So anyways, as always, I appreciate you watching. All of his information is down below. The week this video comes out, he actually has 2 monthly calls within the YouTube membership, $2.99 a month. So you literally can hop on a live call with him every other week and ask him questions, pick his brain. He's an open book, one of the most genuine media sellers out there. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more eBay sales videos, hopefully. Bye-bye.